Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share TikTok trending edit called triple thread. Advanced result. Note, on the auto beats of your music, set the beats to fast. And then set your clips on music. There would be one pick and 4 clips of 3 persons, each in the video. Let's get started. Get your clips ready and set on music. Clips are short, so wide the view of project. Click on Overlay, go to Stock Videos, and add white page. Zoom to fit into the frame. Make it as short as possible. Go to Animation and select Fade Out. Now copy it twice and drag the copies to start of other picks. Click on first pick and go to Animation, then go to Combo. And select Dune 1. Apply this animation to all 3 picks. Add white page as overlay on the start of first clip. Zoom to fit into the frame. Make it short, about 0.2 second. Go to Blend and select Overlay. Then go to Animation and select Fade Out. Now copy this overlay and drag under the first overlay. Again, copy it and drag it to the start of first clip of second person. Again, copy and drag to the start of first clip of third person. Go to the first clip and then go to Animation and select Bottom Swing. Set its duration 0.2 second. Apply this animation to all 12 clips. Go to Effects, click on Video Effects and go to Opening and Closing. And select Oblique Blur. Make it short, about a bit less than half of the clip. Set its Rotate 50 and Blur 100. Go to Object and select All Videos. Now add a keyframe at the start of the effect, another at the end, and set Blur 0 at this keyframe. Copy this effect 3 times and drag the third copy to the start of next clip. And continue the process till last clip. Now move to the start of the video and go to Effects. Then click on Video Effects and go to Nightclub and select Play Pendulum. Set it Intensity 10, Twist 0, Sharpen 0, and Speed 20. Make it as long as video. Now go to Overlay and add Text Overlay. Zoom it to fit into the frame. Then go to Blend and select Filter. And we are done. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.